live everywhere in air, soil, rock, and water. These microscopic organisms are found in plants and animals as well as in the human body. Some microbes cause diseases in humans, plants, and animals. Others are essential for a healthy life, and we could not exist without them. Most microbes belong to one of 4 major groups: bacteria, viruses, fungi, or protozoa. There are many food products which are formed from microbes. For example, sauerkraut is produced by Leuconostoc and Lactobacillus species within shredded cabbage. Cucumbers are fermented by these same microorganisms to produce pickles. Microbes in industrial products. In industries, microbes are employed to produce beverages, antibiotics, and other products. At industrial scale, we need large number of microbes, so they grow in large vessels called fermenters. Fermented beverages. Yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, is essential to all alcoholic beverages. It is a living thing. Trillions of cells in your fermentation vessel, all hungrily turning sugars into carbon dioxide and alcohol. Different types of yeast produce different products such as wine, beer, whiskey, etc. Antibiotics. The first antibiotic discovered was penicillin by Alexander Fleming. An antibiotic is a drug that kills or slows down the growth of bacteria. Antibiotics are one class of antimicrobials, a larger group which also includes antiviral, antifungal, and antiparasitic drugs. They are relatively harmless to the host and therefore can be used to treat infection. Working of penicillin. It works by preventing the production of a substance that forms the cell wall, peptidoglycan. This means the cell will continue to grow without dividing or developing new cell wall. Therefore, the wall gets weaker and eventually ruptures. Chemicals, enzymes, and other bioactive molecules. The following table gives a list of organic acids and the microbe employed in their production. The enzymes produced with the help of microbes are lipases, proteases, and pectinases. Lipase is an enzyme which body uses to break down fats in food so they can be absorbed in the intestines. Proteases refer to a group of enzymes whose catalytic function is to break down peptide bonds of proteins. Pectinases is the collection of enzyme that is able to break down to pectins. Pectin is a substance which stabilizes the cell wall of plant cells. Bioactive molecules. The bioactive molecule cyclosporin A is a powerful immunosuppressive agent whose lack of myelotoxicity makes it unique among non-steroidal drugs currently given for immunosuppression. It can be produced by fungus Trichoderma polysporum. Assessment. Before proceeding further, let us know how much have you learned. Match the following. Microbes in sewage treatment. The municipal wastewater called sewage contains large amount of organic matter and microbes in which many are pathogenic and some are other heterotrophs. The sewage is treated in sewage treatment plants, STPs, before it is discharged into water bodies to reduce the pollution load. The treatment